Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to address some of the hype that have been going on online around buying the dip on Meta since it dropped so much recently along with the overall market, and bring to your attention the time frame that you should be looking at for this dip and where we are sitting at in terms of the overall market. So to gauge whether the dip on Meta is buyable, it's helpful to look at the overall market and where we are sitting at right now. And to do that, it's helpful to look at the inverse index for the QQQ. And this is something that I do on a regular basis anyways, because you always want to know what the bears are planning on you, even when you're trading bulls. So looking at the week chart for the SQQQ, you can see that there is this yellow bar here that indicates the SQQQ has already started its reversal trend from this point onward after its dip from April. And I know this is not something that everyone wants to hear, but we need to be respectful of the data. And to look at Meta specifically, you can see that on the week chart, it doesn't have a buy signal here. And looking at the day chart, we can see that there is this buy the dip opportunity on the day chart. And to gauge where this trend is going, after you have bought the dip here, you can look at its trend line here. So first resistance should be here, and then the second resistance you could look at here. And there are also people looking at Google comparing the opportunity there to Meta, and I could tell you that Meta is certainly a better choice because it has dipped further, and Google has just started its dip on the day chart, and it only has a buy signal on the 15-minute chart, and you can only look at a upward trend from this point onward up to the trend line here. And if it goes any further, you could look at this gap here. So I hope this clears up some of the trend issues at this moment and where we are sitting at in the overall market. And I hope all the best for your trades.